Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30 or 50%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch or turn it on. If you need to turn it on, simply press and hold the lower button, and if you need to wake up the screen on your watch, simply press any button on your watch. Once you turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the quick panel. Here tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called system and tap on it to enter. Now scroll down, tap on the option called reset. Now tap on the check mark to confirm. Of course, be aware that performing the factory reset will remove all of your data and settings from your device. Okay, let's tap on the check mark to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on your watch, it keeps spamming the pairing message because it was connected to a phone before I factory reset it, so it's trying to connect the devices again. But once you factory reset your watch, you should see the list of languages right here on the screen. That means that the factory reset is complete, and as you can see, it keeps spamming me about the pairing. So if you don't want this to happen, I also recommend to unpair the watch from your phone via the app after you reset your watch. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.